How to use Chat GPT to write a cover letter and why you should. As if that your entry career is not difficult enough, job applications also require a cover letter. This letter is meant to help you express specially details about why you are interested in the company, what makes you qualified, and why the company should hire you. If exception to make you stand out from other applicant by your in the rule, the experience that make you a good fit, and what makes you different from other who have simply qualifications. However, those ideas into a one page letter can be a time consuming and task. Chat GPT is here to help. Whether you have started writing a cover letter and feel stuck or do not even know where to start, Chat GPT can help you produce the cover letter of your dreams. With a visit ChatGPT's website and sign in using your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one or sign in using your writing Google or Microsoft account. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a cover letter for the role and company of your choice. You should also include details about the experience you would like the cover letter to highlight. For example, a possibly input would be, can you write me a cover letter for the role of editor at from the University of North and Law Technology. If you want your cover letter to be tailored to the exact rule you are applying for, you can copy and paste the job description into Chat GPT before asking it to write your cover letter. This method is by far the most effectively way to get the cover letter writing in a way that the exact rule and like before. You can also include detail about your own personal experience. You like to include your promote cloud look something like this: can you write me a cover letter for the position of rule title at employer? This is the job